Good morning.
Good morning.
Okay, I am trying to join from my phone also, so give me just a second. I want to be able to show y'all what I am seeing because it does not show that in the recording, so I can screen share my picture though. 431-500. 493. There we go. Share content.
Okay, all right, got it.
Hold on 1 second. Oh, it turned me off. That's great. Okay, that's better. Photos. I want to share this. Okay, so when I log in to start a meeting, I have this screen.
Okay.
Maybe, hold on. I can't see what I'm seeing. Why are you? I'm gonna go back to Zoom. Here we go.
There we go.
Okay, that's really small, but if we zoom in, I have join audio, which is the first thing that'll come up, and it says, do you want to connect via your computer audio if you're on a computer? And you click yes. And then the next thing I'm going to do is click share, the share screen right here in the middle. And that is going to take me to this screen, which is what do you want to share? And you can share your screen if you have a PowerPoint, or this middle option right here is a whiteboard where you can draw on your computer using your mouse or a touchpad if your computer has a touch screen. So both of those options are very easy in creating a lesson. So once you choose what you want to share, and then you share your screen. So I'm going to pull up on my computer here a whiteboard. Okay, so this is what happens when you share whiteboard. You get a menu at the top that you can't see, but it has, I'll take a picture of it again with my phone. It has several options. And then also at the top, if you click this green button, you get the option to record. So I'm going to share these from my phone now so y'all can see what I'm talking about. Oh, I gotta stop this. Okay, I've got this. So this is when I click whiteboard, this is what you see, this big white screen, and you have the option to draw or to use different stamps, and a spotlight will, it's like a laser pointer. It notates exactly where you're at. You can write with text on there, and they can see everything that your mouse does, but they can't see this menu that you have up here. When you click on the green bar at the top where it says my ID number, that is where you get the option to record. So over here, there we go. You have the option to mute yourself. You can turn on the video. I always have my video off because I'm in my pajamas still. So if you're at home, that may be helpful. It's up to you. You have this green share screen. That's where I shared my screen from. Or if you want to share a different screen, this was the problem we had, if y'all remember, in the math Zoom that Jamie Holbert did for us, and it popped up a new tab when she clicked on the Alex in ConnectEd, and we couldn't see anything else for the rest of her video. That's because she didn't share the new tab that opened up. So if you are in ConnectEd and Alex and you open up a new tab or a new internet browser, you're going to want to use this new share button here. There's also a stop share if you want to stop your current share, and a pause. But over here under the More tab, you have this pause recording. Well, you should have start recording if you're just opening a brand new Zoom meeting. You have a pause recording and you have a stop recording. So those are very helpful. When you are finished recording, it will actually give you, let me stop the share from my phone. It will give you a window like this through your files or your Finder, depending on whether you're on a Mac or a PC. But these Zooms are the recording. I did 2 this morning just as a test run to see if I could actually see that menu bar that I just had to share from my phone. You can't. So these Zooms are MP4s. They will upload automatically to Facebook as they are. They can email out as they are. Sometimes they have too much material in there to email out, so you can upload them to YouTube for free and send that out, or you can just, if you're in the Facebook group, put it in the Facebook group for that age class, and then I can direct them there. Just let me know how you choose to do that. For YouTube, uploading to YouTube is very simple. I'm going to show you that now. I can get my new share. I'm clicking on the new share board. Now you can just follow my whole screen. Maybe if it decides to work with me. Yep, y'all see my white screen. There's not anything there. Okay, my computer's being very slow. There it goes. I'll close out of these tabs. This is my master's classes right here that are loading in iGrade. Okay, so we're just going to go to youtube.com and this button right here, once it loads, I believe is the upload. Right here, this little video with a plus sign. You can upload video, or apparently you can go live. I didn't know that was a new feature. And then you just take your file from Zoom and drag it over. You can probably click and search for it also, but that just seems easier to me. There it goes. And then it will upload. And it gives you your link ahead of time. So you can actually copy this and paste it and send it out in an email or put it on iGrade right from the get-go. And then when it's loaded, it loads very fast. Make sure you click publish. That's going to be a short 2-second video of nothing. It's my computer screen. Awesome. So then you get the same link and you can share it or email it, or you can just copy and paste it. So does anybody have any questions over that so far?
Okay, I have some lessons that I write on my computer, and so rather than use a whiteboard, is there any way to be able to pull that up and write on that and speak?
Like a Word file or a PowerPoint or something?
It's a Word file, yeah.
Okay, so yeah, you can, under this share, if you have, I'm gonna take a picture on my phone again. bear with me. If you open your Word file and then you click on New Share, it will show up in your options. So I'm going to stop this share and share from, I don't know if y'all can see that or not. Okay, so once you open the Word file, you'll have, you see whatever you had seen previously, and then you'll have your Word file. And then the next thing you do is go to that share button at the top, the green share button. And this is what will come up. When you're here, you have your option to share whatever is on your screen. That is the easiest option if you're toggling back and forth between Word and an internet browser or something else. If you only want to share your Word, then you have this option here. That is just your Word here. But if you are, I don't know what I was going to say. I just lost it. Sorry. You also have all of these other browsers that were used earlier. You don't have to use the whiteboard. That's just option if you haven't done your lessons yet. If you've already done your lessons in Word, that is there for you to use. And once you click on it, let me escape out of this. I have to stop share. There we go. Okay, so once you click on Word, then you will see whatever is on your Word document that you have, blank document. So then you type and they see all of this. You can annotate if you have ink annotations and they see all of that as well. So yes, to answer your question, Karen, you can see your Word.
Okay. All right. And so everything needs to be converted to YouTube and then put the YouTube directly onto iGrade.
It only needs to be put into YouTube if you can't share it through email if it's too big, which I'm assuming that they likely will be too big, but if they're not, you can just send it straight that way.
Okay, now I don't even know all the email addresses. Are those all in iGrade?
Yeah, so you can email straight through. Hi, baby, it's okay. You can email straight through iGrade, or you can just post the YouTube link in iGrade. We told parents to check iGrade and email.
Okay. All right. Well, I'll do what I can. I can't guarantee I'm going to have all this up by 10 o'clock, but I'll give it my best shot.
That's fine. I told parents 11, so it's fine.
Okay. All right.
Mommy's on a meeting, okay? I'll get you chicken in just a second. Okay? Sorry. We're home. Everybody's school is closed today. I can't tell who else this is. Brian, Evelyn, Mom, anybody? I don't know who Shout is, but if you have any questions.
Oh, Shout is me for whatever reason. I don't know why they got that instead of Karen, but
probably from your email.
Okay.
You can change, yes, you can change it. Let me figure out how to share. Okay, on this Zoom screen, are you seeing my screen or are you seeing here? Let me change
I'm seeing a blank Word document.
Okay. Stop this share. And share. Hold on, love bug. Share my screen. Okay, it's still not showing you my menu. See, it will show everything except for your Zoom menu, of course.
Okay. Well,
that's okay. You should.
The Zoom menu is just up at the very top, isn't it?
Yes, but I went back to the, like, if you were to log out of Zoom, Hold on. Let mommy finish this and then I'll help you, okay? All right, let me share this. If you see this screen, Kimber, I love you. You're having, give you the phone. I'm on my phone. Okay, so this is the main screen.
See, I'm not even getting that when I sign in.
Yes, if you go sit and be quiet, I'll give you stuff in just a minute. So this is, are you online or did you download the app?
I think I downloaded it.
Okay, when you download it, this should show up on your desktop. And then when you log in, it will come up that says new meeting, join a meeting schedule, or share across the screen. And this button over here, where it shows the profile. You see that? My little circle right there. If you click that, it gives you the option to change your profile. So let me take this new picture. This is not user friendly for teaching somebody how to use Zoom.
All right.
Everything else. Hold on, love bug. We're almost there. There we go. And then you should be able to change your name.
Okay. All righty. Well.
It's okay. I know it's a first day, and the parents know that too. It's obviously not ideal, but we can't help that it's flooding. So.
Okay. All right.
We did this last year or 2 years ago with a snow day, and it was fun.
Yeah, I'll bet.
But that was a Tuesday. At least today's a Thursday.
Yeah. Okay. Well, if worst comes to worst, I may tell my geometry students just to read the text, and that we'll give the assignment a try, and then we'll pick up next week. So, and most of my 5th graders had already done all 5 worksheets, even though we only went through 2 of them in class. They had done most of them already. So I don't know how much more instruction they're going to need, but yeah, 7th and 6th grade will probably need some help.
Yeah. Well, the geometry class, they have Alex too if they need help. There's videos in there that you can direct them to.
Okay, and I still need to get with that and figure out what I'm doing wrong with that, because I still wasn't getting anything close to what you showed me they got, and what I could possibly pull up and assign to them through Alex. So
when I get this little one down for her nap, because she woke up super early, of course, on our day off.
Yeah.
I will text you, and I will either make a recording for you and send it to you, or if you can hop on live, we can go through Alex then later.
Okay.
But I'll text you when she's not begging for food and to sit on the lap.
Okay.
But all right. I will put this out to Brian and Evelyn, and hopefully it makes sense.
All right. Well, I'll go through it and see what I can do with it.
All right. If you have questions, call me.
All righty. Will do. Thanks.
All right. Bye.
Bye-bye.